Hello everyone. The advertising content introduced by our group is Samsung service. The members of the group are Lizhixun, HEYANG, BaiCan, and me, ChengXiao. We will divide it into three parts: introduce, value, and summary. The first part is introduce. In this part, we will show three uh, small parts. First is what is the message in the video. It means what message the video wants shows, want to talk us. And I think we think in this video, it wants shows the distance is not important. Whatever you are, the sensing service will take care of the customer. And is this message clear? Yes, it's very clear in this video. And the last is what value the company wants to show. We think is three value. The first is friendly. The second is fast. The third is accurate. And my friend will show you next part, the value.
Hello everyone, I'm HEYANG. Metric number A167430. Then I will introduce is expressed in video first value friendship. The first two storyboard is about a girl called Samsung service companies hope that they can to help repair the television. And in the service staff to see the girl for the first time, find that the girl is a disabled people without expressing any strange, but enthusiasm about the girl meet. The third storyboard shows that after Samsung service staff fixed the TV, and the little girl told the service staff that mom was their best friend. The service staff had mixed feelings after seeing this scene. Through the first two conversations and the scene in the third paragraph, this video expresses to us the friendliness and enthusiasm to Samsung service staff. That's all.
Hello everyone, my name is BaiCan, and my metric number is A171181. Today let me introduce the second values of Samsung. The second value is the first. This is the thing about it. Can it be repaired in time? Said the lady to the staff. The staff said no problem. 15 seconds later in the video, the crew turns on the TV, and the lady hears the sound, indicating that the TV has been fixed. The video reduced the repair time to 15 seconds, showing how efficient the maintenance personnel are, so that customers don't miss what they want to see. The fast service of Samsung brings convenience to people, which shows that Samsung has a good staff training. In order to meet the needs of customers, Samsung makes quick repairs and responds to the needs of customers. The video highlights not only the splendor of Samsung's service, but also its care of the disabled. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lizhixun. Metric number is A167248. Today I will talk about the third value, accurate. The video begins with a young girl calling a Samsung repairman to fix the television, telling him that it must be fixed by 7 p.m. As the repairman drives, background music says of the hardships of the road. On the way, There were trees and shapes in the way. However, he still arrived at the girl's house on time. When he found out that the girl was blind, the quiet and suspended music also show the complex heart of the maintenance man. After the television was fixed, the girl's friends sang their music to a full climax on the television. The maintenance man looked at the happy smile on the little girl's face. Because of Samsung's accurate service, little girl can listen to the music, can listen to the television on time. Samsung India services just like the song says, like a river you flow, embrace them with all your heart. Samsung India service will find you, and this is Samsung service. Thank you.
Now, this is the last part summary. In this part, we will think thought with this video good or not. First, we have two questions. The first question is, do you think this video shows the values clearly? It's good. The second question is, do you think this video is useful if you are the customer? It is useful for you. I think everyone have answer now. By my group member shows their parts. In my group, all my group members think this video is very useful, and this video shows it very clearly. So we think it's a good advertising. That's all. Thank you for watching.